Hey everybody, welcome back to 2 Acres Evolving. Today I'm over at my brother's house and we're going to be building some raised beds because he's wanting to plant some tomatoes and peppers in his yard this year, and he wanted a couple of raised beds to build in his yard. Ariana and Maddie are here with me. Say hi.
Hi! Hello.
And they're going to help us build a couple of raised beds over here. Here's the wood that we're going to be using. We're going to be using cedar pickets. They're 6 feet long and 6 inches wide, and we have one cedar 2x4 that we're going to be using. And this area over here gets full sun, so my brother wants the raised beds over here, and we're only going to be building 2 today. All right, so the first thing that we have to do is go in and cut the boards down to size. These are gonna be 6 foot by 3 foot beds. So for one bed, I need 4 pieces that are 6 foot long and 4 pieces that are 3 foot long. And then the 2x4 I'm gonna be using on the inside of the bed to hold all the pieces together. So we decided to get cedar wood for these raised beds because we didn't want to get treated, because we want everything to remain organic. We don't want any chemicals or anything leaking into the food that's going to be grown. So with the cedar boards, they're not treated at all and they're rot resistant, so that's why we decided to go with these. So now we're going to go ahead and get these cut. All right, Ariana wanted to help us out, so we're going to make her do all the hard work here. Okay, so we got all the pieces cut for each of the beds. For each bed, we have 4 6-foot pieces, and then we have 4 3-foot pieces, and then we have 4 2x4s that are going to go in the corners to hold everything together. And I have 2 of everything because we're going to be making 2 beds today. So we're going to move all this over to the area that we're going to put the beds in, and we're going to cut out all the grass from that area and then put these up. All right, so these 2x4s are going to be going in each corner to hold these together. So we're going to go in and screw each of the pickets to the corner pieces. All right, so what we were doing there is marking where we need to pre-drill the holes. So now we're gonna go ahead and do that. I would say, why don't we stack them all together as thick as we can and then drill them all together. Okay, we got the beds built and we got them placed where we want them. This area right here gets full sun pretty much all day, so this is the perfect spot for them. We did decide to use the extra 2x4 pieces and brace up the center of the pickets just to hold them together a little bit more, and that helped quite a bit. So now what we're going to do is we're going to dig out the grass from the insides of all of them, and then my brother's going to have to fill them up with soil. I'm not sure if we're going to have time to do that today or not, but we'll see how much time we got left once we're done with this. Alright, so we got these beds done and got them all dug out and everything. So they're ready for soil. We're not going to have... My parents showed up, so we're not going to have time to fill them up with soil today, but my brother can handle that later. And there's Cameron checking them out. And Maddie. Do they look good, Maddie?
Yeah.
Do you like them?
Yeah.
Awesome. Cameron, do you like them?
For?
Do they look good?
Who are they for?
Do they look good? But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Say bye.
Hey.
Bye-bye.